Good morning and welcome to today's daily market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday, the 11th of December. Now, what we have in markets at the moment is a slight sort of consolidation going on. There's not a great deal of movement. We had the European Central Bank being the main announcement of yesterday. They added to their PEP program by 500 billion euros, extended the program into 2022, and it pretty much met market expectations. And for euro dollar, there was a degree that helped to support the euro. Euro liked that, and it certainly looked as though that on the MT4 chart there was a pickup of euro dollar, strong bull candle, and it hasn't yet really decisively broken through. It's hitting resistance around the 21.75 mark, which was the level of resistance that we saw last week, but not managed to break through that level. And that is obviously still the key barrier overhead, but it is now starting to suggest that this weakness has again been a chance to buy. The pickup from 20.55 that we saw from Wednesday's low before Thursday's strong bull candle, and it looks as though that this is another move where you could argue it's a bull flag pattern forming. If you break out above 21.75, that would complete your bull flag, and you can measure it in a number of different ways. Maybe you could measure it from the reaction low that we saw back at around 18 big figure, so you could measure it as that and then project it higher from that peak. But ultimately, I think any real breakout above 21.75 just really is confirmation that the market is pushing ahead with this euro positive, well, dollar negative view primarily, but also to an extent within that euro positive as well. So the ECB hasn't changed the course on that run higher, and that uptrend that we've got in place over the last few weeks certainly seems to be pulling the market higher still. So we look at the 4-hour chart, it's still positive, looking at the nicely configured. It has pulled back a little bit early morning today, back towards a sort of a breakout pivot area. You'd argue the support comes in around 2130 to 2140 on that 4-hour chart. Maybe on the hourly chart you can see it a bit better if I zoom out. Too far. So breaking back into that band of support, and how the market now responds around that, I think is going to be interesting, because as I said, this is all nice underlying demand going through here, 21.25 to 21.40 area. So if I zoom back in, you can see the reaction low support that we had in recent days. This was the ECB announcement that we saw yesterday. Oh, sorry, this was the ECB announcement that we saw yesterday, and then the market fluctuated a little bit into the afternoon, but ultimately certainly continued to pull higher. So this pullback, I think, is again going to be seen as another chance to buy. You've got some decent momentum configuration on the hourly chart. Yes, it has pulled back, but I think it's going to be pulling back into support and going to be used as what we still see as another opportunity to buy. Anything around that 60 to 65 area is probably a decent opportunity on euro dollar now, and it looks set up for a decent move in towards the end of the year. So with that in mind, obviously good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.